nagtataas every year.
Every year? Okay, so congratulations again on your possession day. Kwento nyo naman kung paano yung ginagawa sa inyo, dun sa inuupahan ninyo. Kumbaga, ano daw nagtataas ba or magtataas?
Nagtataas every year.
Every year?
Every year.
Oh, how much ang tinataas niya every year?
Nasa 150.
Every year? Wow! Mitch, how do you feel right now?
Excited and happy.
Yeah.
And especially because we didn't actually spend anything. And then, we're down here we are.
Yeah. So amazing, right? So let's clap our hands for the Lord.
It's good.